Okay, I was asked to do this because a few of my people liked it, and they was wondering why I had to spend more time on here, especially since people was talking about the funkiest bass lines and what have you. As it turns out, guys are good. A lot of the musicians on YouTube are pretty good, but some of us come from the funk zone. We came up in it. We were down there, we were up there, we were around a lot of these people that made the funk, and that's where I've been for most of my life. And anyway, I just figured I'd contribute to the YouTube and put some things there from time to time and give some people some up close funk and something to consider. But anyway, I'm playing a fretless acoustic bass. I'm doing all of this stuff on there, which is kind of challenging. I'm sure some of you know that. But anyway, it's interesting, and I'm getting used to it. But anyway, here's another one. Uh-oh. Woo! But anyway, we're just having some fun. I got a lady friend here. She's my producer today. Anyway, she's not in show business, but she's a lawyer type producer. But anyway, just having a little fun, and my camera's not working right or something. I don't know what I'm doing anyway. Uh-oh. Warm me up, baby. All right, let's see. What else can we do here? Something fun. I got got a lot of fun ones. But I really got to go. I got a phone call coming. I need to eat. But there it is. Peace.